Alright guys, so we are now about to tour the 1-bedroom apartment here at Broadstone, Uptown, Charlotte. So come on over, we have the property manager waiting for us right now.
Hey,
hi again.
Hey,
okay.
Let's check it out.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so today we are in our A1B floor plan.
Okay.
One of my favorite 1-bedrooms.
What does
right?
A1B mean if you don't want me asking?
So we have about 9 1-bedroom floor plans. So you have A, which stands for like a 1-bedroom, and then 1 will be the floor plan.
Got it.
Then B is if it has a balcony or if it doesn't have a balcony.
Ah, okay.
Right.
So this apartment has a balcony.
Yeah, it does. And I mean, as you can see, just looking at it, you have so much natural.
So much natural light.
Right, so
I love the vinyl floors going through the whole apartment.
And
yeah.
One thing I learned about residential living is the bigger the plank and the longer they are, the more expensive they are as well.
Huh.
Yeah, so
good to know. So the bigger they are, the more expensive they are.
Yep. So in this apartment, you have this huge island which can be used as, cooking space. I also been that a lot of people are working from home now.
That's
you
true.
can also just use it as your
Yeah.
desk, but you do have room for a desk area.
You do,
as well.
yeah.
Now, the main difference between this and the last apartment that I toured for you, the finishes. So all your fixtures will be gold, and then you have that marble ceramic backsplash, which to me just brightens up the apartment and makes it look so beautiful.
Do you know what? I think actually I like the gold better.
You like the gold?
Yeah, the gold finishes just makes it look a little bit more airy for some reason. Like the only thing I would do differently is I wish I could bring those lights that we saw in the other apartments here. They should switch the lights, but no, it's perfect. I love it. I'm free too for hire.
So here we have our living room, right?
Yeah.
Absolutely beautiful. Now, what I would do in this one,
Sure.
What I would do for this one, definitely, you can have a sectional with a nice centerpiece. Mount your TV on the wall as well. And then as you can see, this is facing east, so you'll have a lot of natural sunlight coming in. Like good morning drinks, like get your coffee, read a book.
Yeah.
For you. All right. And yeah, you have to check out this balcony because it's huge. This balcony is magnificent.
It is.
Huge.
It is.
2 chairs, little coffee table.
Little coffee table, yep.
Drink your coffee, read a book while the sun comes up and you're set to go.
And it's right in the smack dead of Uptown.
Yeah.
Wow.
So this is your South Tryon view. What you have right here, you can either go straight into the city or go further down to the South End area.
Okay.
And down there, you have more mid-rises and a lot more communities for sure.
So a lot more of the office buildings are on that side actually, but this is more of the, I guess, the Uptown Cabaret view. Yeah. I'll let you guys look up what Uptown Cabaret is, but who wouldn't want to be in close proximity to that?
All right, so next we'll check out the bedroom. Now, this bedroom can fit a queen size bed, 2 nightstands, and a dresser, like usual, and you do have your ceiling fan.
So if it can fit a queen size and 2 dressers, so definitely a king.
A king, yeah, with maybe 1 nightstand,
Yeah,
That's what I always say. So, this one does have access to your balcony. Well, not access to your balcony, but your window is off of your balcony, so you still have that morning sunlight coming in.
Okay.
And as you can see, beautiful blinds.
Yeah.
Great blinds.
I really love that, these apartments are very open and there are a lot of windows for the natural sunlight to come in.
If you want, you don't always want to use your electricity.
Nope.
Eco-friendly, save the world.
Absolutely not, yeah.
Right. So let's go over the closet space because it does have plenty of...
Oh, this is a huge closet.
For me, what I would do is have my shoes on one side, suit jackets, then all my casual clothes on the other. And one thing cool about this closet is your washer and dryer is going to be on the opposite side of your closet, okay? So instead of you walking through the hallway to go and get your clothes, you can actually just put them
right here.
in the dryer. And just hang them up or put them in your dresser and you're good to go.
Yeah.
Of course, there will be a plate underneath and we'll push that further to the wall, but we pulled it out so you can see the full
Okay, so it wouldn't stick out like this. It's more hidden in the corner. Well, then that's not too bad because I was thinking it was just out here, but
protruding out
if it's back there,
it doesn't hit you in your face like
if it's back there, that's actually very convenient because I know I hate walking down the hall to do laundry.
It's convenient when you just need something real quick.
Yeah.
So bathroom again. This one does have a standing shower.
Ooh, look at the gold finishes.
Your gold finishes and your floor is white ceramic tiles instead of the black ceramic tiles.
Okay. No, I love it. Even the gold finishes on everything. Do you know what? It's been a while I've seen a gold finish shower. I guess that's why I was just so intrigued.
Right.
So, yeah.
It's real, what's the word? Like opulent? I think that's it, yeah.
So I think the theme here in this whole apartment, if you guys are picking that up, is the Victorian.
Yes. Victorian, European modern for sure. All the finishes, all our countertops are quartz. They're not granite either. And then you'll also have like the crown molding on the floors and everything too. So after this, like you can actually go straight to the kitchen from the bathroom. So your guests don't have to walk through your bedroom to get to the bathroom, which is another plus.
So tell us, how much is this unit starting?
So these units start off at about $1,600 and can go up to about $1,915, depending on your view. So anything facing the city will be in that $1,800 to $1,900 range. Anything facing south end will be around that $1,600 to $1,700. So, and then it also varies based on floor level as well.
So is it the higher you go, the cheaper, or
the higher?
The higher you go, the more expensive.
The higher you go. Yep, and our 6th floor does have vaulted ceilings as well. So.
You know, that's so funny because in like regular apartments, like the more traditional apartments, you know, it's the lower you go, the more expensive because people don't want to use the stairs. But I guess here, you know, like they have the elevators and everything. I mean, the stairs are still an option, but you know, this building has elevators all throughout. So.
And I always say, the higher you go, the less noise you hear as well.
That's true.
You don't have people above you.
That's true.
So I think that's a benefit. And then with the higher ceilings as well, you have to think about the energy costs too.
That's true.
It costs so much to cool your apartment too. So that's another thing.
That's good. That's good.
Yes, this is beautiful. And the last spot that I think you should check out will be the common spaces.
Yeah, I would love to.
And then we have an observatory with uptown views of all the shows. So
okay. Yeah. So cool, thanks.
Beautiful up there, I'll show you that.
Hi guys, thank you so much for taking a tour of this beautiful 1-bedroom apartment with me. Tune in later on this week for a tour of the 2-bedroom apartment here at Broadstone, Queen City. I look forward to seeing you all soon. Remember, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And you can lose with AO. Bye.